All right, hey, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, just showing you what we're working on today. This huge fitness center mat, and it's a real nice mat, and they just wanted me to run hot water to extract as much dirt and soil as I can, and so that's what I'm doing for this time. We might test a neutral base solvent down the road to see if that might also work, but it's coming along really well. I've got this half right here, these two rows already done, and this is all black. Looks kind of gray on the camera, I think, but now I got to work my way back and do all of these. Okay, so just going over it with hot water, getting a lot of nice dirt out. It's coming along well. Take a peek in here. You can see if you can see the dirt that's coming out. Oh yeah, that's dirty chocolate milk. Nasty stuff. All right, we're just running straight water through this right here, and I'm going to show you just a little bit of wanding process right here so you can see what it looks like. Make sure we overlap those wanding strokes right there. Have a little something here, just a little booger. Taken care of.